Hello my people, welcome again to GLAATORY. On my today's video, I will show you how I made this coated peanut. This is very easy recipe, you can do it on your own. So here is my coated peanut. Here I use 400 grams of fresh peanut. So now I'm taking out the broken parts. So I added my salt and now hot water to blanch it. So I'll let it sit for 5 minutes and now I'll be sieving it out. So I'll be putting it on my tray for sun dry. You can leave it outside to sun dry. I'm preparing my dry ingredients. I'm adding 3 cups of all-purpose flour and powdered milk and cinnamon powder. So if you have nutmeg, you can substitute it with cinnamon powder. So I'll be mixing everything to well combine. So I'm mixing my wet ingredient with 3 whole eggs and sugar and my vanilla flavor. I'll be mixing all to well combine. So you can see my peanut is already dried. I'll be placing it on my bowl. I transfer it to another big bowl because this will help me to spin it around. Here I will pour in my wet ingredient and spin it around. Remember, you need a bigger container for this. So I'll add my dry ingredient and coat it. So this process I'll be doing it like 6 times for it to get coated very well. So at this point, if you discover any broken peanuts, still take it out. Yeah. So you can see this is very easy. You can make it on your own. If today is your first time you're seeing my video, you are highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always tagging along with me. I really appreciate. Thank you. So you will keep coating it as much as you want it to be. So this is optional up to you. You can see it's very sticky now. I have to use my spatula to make it easier. So you can see it's very sticky. So use your spatula to release the peanut and then continue coating. So sometimes there might be some sticking together. Make sure you break them apart and continue coating. They have to be one by one. They don't need to stick together with another peanut. So remember, if you are seeing my video for the first time, please remember to subscribe and click on your notification bell button so that anytime I post my video, you'll be among the first to see it. It's all set, already coated. So now I'll be sieving out the powdery from the powdery left over.
One of the best. Honorary, I think it's the best. Oh yeah. GLAATORY. GLAATORY. GLAATORY, you're the best!
So I heated my oil. Please use your low heat so that the peanut will be cooked inside. So I added one to check if my oil is hot enough. So I'll be frying them. You have to keep continuously stirring at it because if not, it will not be cooked evenly. So always keep stirring at it so that it will all cook and have the same color. It's done. Hope you get to try this recipe. This is very easy. I bet you will like it. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye.